Sigurado ba kayo sa ginaturo nyo yan? Ano basis, anong standard reps? Kaya nakakita kayo ng libro, yung tama, no? Tama? Publish ng Phoenix, publish ng Bibal, publish ng Rex. Sigurado kayo isulat yan? Maniwala ka ba, sir, na ang ginaturo nyo hindi magamit ng bata 5 years from now, kaya hindi naman yan ang technology? Tandaan nyo, you are all set up continuum from first year up to fourth year. Let's say you start out 2008, first year student. It will finish its course when? To 2008, kaya siya mag-graduate. Kung diretso siya 4 year course. 4 years ang fourth year. So 28 lang plus 3. Ilan? Ha? 2011 or 2012, right? By that time, magkapata siya sa college. Do you think yung premise na itinuro mo sa kanya yun na yun? Technology, hindi. English, yes. But technology premise no. Because standard premise change. Many years ago, teaching HTML coding is very nice. But today, teaching HTML coding is stupid. Because I don't need an HTML code to write a page. Because everything by this time is only what you see is what you get. So what I only need my student is how to navigate with the menu and how to do this, how to realize certain activity within the function, but never the code. Some time ago, friends, for me to create a script, a program script, I have to create a logic formulation of all the schema in the image and then never use it. Because what I will do, I will listen to a person and start coding what he wants. Right? But in college, you are taught how to do all those data flowing and blah, 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 right? But in reality, when you do your coding, you don't even mind it. You just interview the person how he wants the form is. Ang gagawin mo na actually is to get the form. And then ask the person what is the application of parameter and you start coding. And you code it based on the language that you know, right? Tama ba? Very nice. But today, my friend, no. You draw it first, and you allow the computer to create the code. And you call that case-tools. Today, you don't have to code. Just draw the schema of the process and the schema of the data elements. The system will now create the code. We call that the unified modeling language. So you make a selection, just make a click. I want you to code my schema in Java. Code it in VB. Code it in .NET. Code it in Perl. Cute na. Tapos nagturo ka Visual Basic. Hindi niya kailangan. Ang kailangan nyo maintindihan is how to create on the schema. Hello. Ano yun? Oh, ito pa ma'am, worst part. Ituruan mo sa Excel, no? Paano mag-formula? Paano mag-ito, no? And then pagdating niya sa trabaho template naman, just enter the data. Nakalak naman ang cell ng formula. Nag-look tayo doon. You know what I mean? Drop tayo. So, tanong ko ni Senyo, what do you teach? How do you plan out the lesson? Oh, ito pa, sir. Ito pa nakatuwa. Nagtuturo ka ng computer parts, no? Kaya framework mo, desktop. Shit, ang laptop na mahimo man na ng 10,000 na. So in the next generation space, lahat ng computer na ba ng desktop? So naituro ko na ngayon sa computer parts. Pero ang framework mo, based on desktop. So mangyari sa iyo, teaching the history of the computer. And then give the student the exam on the history of the computer. But in reality, his history does not make any sense in his life because he does not build the skills. Will he build the skill? So what if he knows that the floppy has different variation from 5.x to 4.x, and now the new floppy is the USB, and the final floppy will be the micro SD. O di mo pwede paturuan mo na lang siya ng micro SD? Ma'am, no? Kailangan mo pag-bukso. Kaya lang, kailangan ubusin yung number of hours to teach. Eh, naka-specify naman sa curricular plan. Di ba, no? Nakuha niyo pa? Lago tayo dyan. Pero huwag niyo ako ikwento yan sa mga heads niyo, ha? Kaya sila, yan ang problema. Kaya matanda man nag-design ng YouTube. By the time na mangyari, sabi nila, wala naman na sila. Problema na ng YouTube. Grabe ko yan. Ang problema na ito kasi institution, ang nag-plan ng learning outcomes, matatanda na. Mamatay na siya after some time, no? Yung tinulog niya, hindi na siya responsible. Eh bakit nga? Wala naman siya.